Hello students, I am Bhupinder Kaur and I am going to give you a presentation on the topic oscillator. So what are the objectives of this presentation? In this we will study we will understand the basic concept of an oscillator and then basic principle of operation of an oscillator, that is our Barkhausen criteria. So what is oscillator? Oscillators are basically AC signal generators. So oscillator is an electronic circuit that generate a periodic waveform. Periodic waveform can be of any shape like sinusoidal, spherical or triangular on its output without an external signal source. External signal source means the input signal which is given to the amplifier. So it is used to convert DC to AC. So basically oscillators are the circuits that produce a continuous signal of some type without the need of an input signal. These signals serve a variety of purpose. For example, in communication systems, digital system including computers, digital systems like microcontroller or microprocessor, there we need some kind of clock signal, and that clock is generated by the oscillators, and test equipment make use of oscillators. So what is oscillation? If we talk about the pendulum, for example, pendulum, what does pendulum do is it moves from left to right, mean value, and then mean value to the right, again right to mean value, and then again to the left. So it continuously moving around left to right and right to left. So in the same way we can say that an oscillation, it is an effect that rapidly and regularly fluctuates about the mean value. So in the same way, what does oscillator do? Oscillator is a circuit that produce oscillations, which means the output of an oscillator will be if the output of the oscillation is sinusoidal, then it will continuously move from up down to the mean value. So what are the characteristics? Basically the output waveform has different types of characteristics, like what is the wave shape of output and what is the frequency of output, amplitude, distortion and stability. Next is applications of oscillators. Oscillators are used to generate signals, for example, used as local oscillator to transform the RF signal to IF signal in a receiver. This IF signals is used in communication radio receivers or super heterodyne receivers. And next is used to generate RF carrier in a transmitter, used to generate clocks in a digital system. As I already told you, clocks in computer system that are also generated by the oscillators, used as sweep circuits in TV sets and CRO. Next is oscillator is a circuit that produces a repetitive signal from a DC voltage. The feedback oscillator relies on a positive feedback. This is the main part, which means oscillator is the type of feedback amplifier, but instead of negative feedback, they are having positive feedback. So oscillator is nothing but signal generator. So we can say that feedback oscillator relies on a positive feedback of the output to maintain the oscillations. This is the very important term, positive feedback. We cannot generate oscillations by giving the negative feedback to the oscillator, to the amplifier. This is the output. Output can be of the any shape like sinusoidal wave, square wave or sawtooth wave, or even you can take the output from the oscillator in the terms of periodic pulses. Next is the type of oscillators. This oscillator can be categorized into two types, that is RC oscillator and LC oscillator. RC oscillators, the main components are resistors and capacitors. Further we have two types, Wein bridge and phase shift oscillator. In LC oscillators, we have three types: Hartley oscillator, Colpitts oscillator, and crystal oscillator. Next is the basic principle for oscillation. The oscillator is an amplifier with positive feedback, as I already told you. So say this is an amplifier and the output is V note. We just take the feedback V note, small amount of output, and given to this feedback amplifier beta with having the gain of beta, and the output of this feedback amplifier is Vf, which is added to this mixer. This is the mixer which is added to the input Vs. So the Ve will be the summation of Vs and Vf. Here we can write Ve, which will be the summation of Vs and Vf. But what is Vf? Vf is equals to beta into V naught. And what is V naught? V naught is equals to A into Ve. So V naught is equals to AVE. We can put the value of first equation in this, A into Vs plus Vf, which is equals to A into Vs plus beta V naught. We can put the value of Vf from here. And then next, V naught is equals to AVE. VE is what? Vs plus Vf, and Vf is what? Beta into V naught. So just a second. Yes. So V naught is equals to A Vs plus A beta V naught. Take all this term to the left side and then take V naught common. Then V naught divided by Vs, which is the closed loop gain, is equals to A minus A divided by 1 minus A beta. In general, A and beta are the functions of frequency, and this thus may be written as, so this S is a kind of frequency. So you can written it as like this. A beta is also known as loop gain. This loop gain, we can denote this loop gain A into beta can be written as T. So AF is equals to A divided by 1 minus T. You can also replace S with j omega. So all these terms can be written as like this. T is equals to A into beta. So at a specific frequency, if we put this whole value of T as 1, then AF will be the infinite. So what we have done is at a particular frequency F naught, then T is equals to 1. At this frequency, the closed loop gain AF will be the infinite. That is, the circuit will have finite output for zero input signal. So what is Barkhausen criteria? We know that an oscillation is an amplifier which produces an oscillations with taking an input signal with without taking an input signal by using a positive feedback only. But in order to provide proper oscillations, it is very important that the amplifier circuit requires to satisfy certain criteria. That is Barkhausen criteria. So let's understand the Barkhausen criteria in detail. This is the loop gain. So in the previous slide, we have studied a condition at a specific frequency. If the value of loop gain is equals to 1, then only the closed loop gain will be equal to infinite. So this is the first condition for Barkhausen criteria. That is, the magnitude of loop gain must be unity. Or you can say that at the oscillation frequency, the magnitude of product of open loop gain, this is A open loop gain, and the feedback factor beta is equal to or greater than the unity. You can also write it like that. Magnitude of A beta should be greater than equals to 1. Here you can also add this magnitude bar like this. This is the one condition, the magnitude of loop gain, the magnitude of product of open loop gain A and feedback factor beta should be greater than or equal to 1. Now next is the second condition. Second condition is this: the output of the amplifier is phase inverted version of the input of the amplifier. See in this previous diagram, this the output of the amplifier V naught is the inverted version of the input of the amplifier Vs, which means the phase of V naught is 180-degree phase shifted by the phase of Vs. The feedback network having a feedback factor beta. So to have a total phase shift 0 degree or 360, the feedback factor beta has to provide an additional phase shift of 180-degree. Means we need total phase shift 0 or 360-degree. So beta has to provide a total phase shift of 180-degree. So that total phase shift around the loop becomes equal to 0 or 360. Now come to this slide, which means the phase angle of the loop gain A into beta must be 0 at the frequency of oscillation. So this is all about Barkhausen criteria, which is the very much important condition, these two conditions for having the sustained oscillations. So thank you all. So this is the about the Mission Fateh. You have to register for the contest on Kova app. First of all, you have to download the Kova app from the Play Store and then register yourself for the contest on Kova app. Then you can also earn points by observing COVID precautions, or points on you can earn points for referrals. So this is all about Kova app. In this Fateh mission, you have to wash your hands, wear mask, and social distancing. Thank you all.